Happy Saturday, everybody. Today we're going to do an update on Bitcoin. Looks like we could be getting close to a breakout. Stick around and we'll see what's going to happen.
1, 2, 3, jump!
All right, here we are on the daily chart for Bitcoin. Please click the subscribe button in the lower right hand side of the screen if you haven't subscribed already. Tick the little bell if you want to get notified when I post videos, and give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Anyway, here we go. This is the daily chart in Bitcoin. This is a falling wedge pattern we've been watching. I'm going to zoom into the 4 hour here and see what it's looking like. This was a ascending broadening wedge I was kind of watching, and I had said, you know, in the last videos, if you were watching, to really watch this bottom trend line, and if we broke through, you know, then I drew the support lines that we would watch after breaking through that. And we broke through the first support at 36.50 and then hit the second support at 35.60. And if you watched my videos, you would have known I'd said we're probably going to bounce around in this area for a little while, which we have. And I believe it's some consolidation going on. Some people seem to think this could be a bear flag, and we have more downward to go, which is quite possible. If we do go down more, my next support that I have, my next support line I have down here at about 3,300. And that we should get, if we do go down, we should get a little bounce off that, and then possibly come back down to retest or break it. But until we get that far, we won't even worry about it. First of all, what we're looking at is which way we're going to bounce out of here. As you can see, these are pretty strong. Well, this is a resistance now and support down here, and I believe, you know, with the volume going down like this, that there's going to be a breakout soon, one way or the other. If we break through here with conviction, I think we'll have a nice move up. Looking to move up to maybe around the 3,750 to 3,800 area, and then go from there. Another possibility to be looking at, you can see this is a BART pattern here, and we came back down. We could be forming another BART pattern here and then back up. We could come up to test this top trend line, which this is resistance, which is the resistance neckline that we were looking at in the inverse head and shoulders that looked like was forming, but it ended up failing. So we could go up and retest this. But the key areas right now, guys, is to watch this 36.50 area and the 35.60 area. And that's really going to be key to which way we go. If we can break this resistance, or if we break this support, then we go down. And like I said, if we go down, I'm looking for the 3,300 area. And if we go up, you know, our first stop is probably going to be right in this 37.75 area, and then maybe some more accumulation and back up. But if you guys are just watching people and making trades off these videos, I suggest you do your own due diligence and your own research. This is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. But you really should be charting if you're trading, or even if, you know, you're just an investor. But you kind of do your own research, figure out what's going on. But I'll try to give you, you know, clues what to look at and what to watch for. But obviously, nobody knows exactly what the market's going to do. And another thing that seems maybe could possibly happen in here, if you look where this support is down here and the resistance up here, you know, we could bounce around in this for, you know, weeks, and then, you know, either break this resistance or break this support. Yeah, just as of right now, I'm really watching this area for a breakout. Like I said, I believe we're either, you know, it's 50-50 right now. I'm going to go into the RSI too. You guys have been watching these videos. You know, I was watching this channel right here, and I had said to watch it. If we broke this bottom line, we'd have a sell-off, and that's exactly what happened. You You can see it did kind of a fake out right over here and then back up into the channel. Now I'm going to go into the daily. Excuse me, the daily RSI. And I had a rising broadening wedge drawn here too. And we've broke down out of it a little bit, but not with conviction. I believe we can come up and retest this, possibly break back into this channel or this ascending broadening wedge. If we do, that's a good sign for the bulls. But we could get rejected here again and come down. And if we do, I believe that's going to be, you know, another large sell-off point. We may see some blood in the streets. So anyways, that's what I'm looking at right now. I hope this video gives you guys something to look at, a different view of the market of what everybody else is doing. And I don't know, kind of give you a little more confidence in what's going on, give you some areas to watch and that. So again, I appreciate everyone watching. Please hit the subscribe, tick the little bell, and give me a thumbs up if you like the content of this video. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.